increasing happy, but decreasing nervousness.
Before I give my question, can you give me a smile? Sweet na sweet yung smile niya.
Kasing sweet ng smile mo.
So, ito yung question ko sa'yo. Do you think mako-convince mo lahat ng tao dito na you deserve to win this title? And how? With just a smile? And how is that?
Thank you for
Ulitin
that.
ko ba? Kailangan.
Okay.
Yung tanong ko is, sa tingin mo, mako-convince mo lahat ng tao dito na karapat-dapat ka sa titulong yan with just your smile, and how?
Okay, thank you for that question. Siguro, nasa audience na yun kasi kung ako talaga yung best nila at kung ako talaga yung napili nilang karapat-dapat, siguro masasabi nilang yes, yes, kasi yan ang nasa puso nila. Okay, so